What's up guys? Today I'm gonna teach you a simple portrait hack you can do with almost any camera, whether it's film or digital. Before the tutorial, I would like to introduce a fashion photographer, Terry Richardson. You may not know this man, but the people of whom he took photos are the most famous celebrities, such as President Obama, Michael Jordan, and Lady Gaga. Unlike other photographers using expensive professional cameras, Richardson liked using his Yashica T4 point-and-shoot camera. What he did was very simple. The model was posing in front of a white background, and he took photos of the model very close up with flash, as all he did is very easy to imitate and the result is amazing. Now I'm gonna do this technique with a disposable camera. You can try it with any camera that has a flash. I also try putting some colorful filters on the flash to make the tone more interesting. You don't have to buy expensive flash diffusers. You can use a little piece of colorful plastic, for example, plastic bags and bottle labels. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the results, given that I was using a $10 disposable camera, with which I couldn't adjust exposure. If you use a proper rangefinder or an SLR, the result will be a lot better for sure. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Stay tuned for the next one.